Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zeno drawing. First, gather your essential art supplies. You will need a sheet of paper, a reliable ruler, and a sharp pencil. Next, select a straightforward object or a basic geometric shape to be the focus of your artwork. The core idea behind Zeno drawing involves continuously dividing distances in half, creating an illusion of infinite progression. This technique is surprisingly simple yet yields fascinating visual results. Now, begin by lightly sketching the main outline of your chosen subject onto your paper. Keep these initial lines very faint, as they are just guides. Once your basic shape is established, use your ruler to find the exact halfway point along one of its prominent edges. From this precise midpoint, draw a new light line extending across to a corresponding point on the opposite side of your object. This creates your first significant division. The next crucial step is to repeat this halving process. Take each of the newly created segments and divide them in half once more. You will continue this iterative division, aiming to repeat the halving at least 5 or 6 times. As you progress, you will notice the lines converging and becoming increasingly dense. This repeated subdivision is what generates the unique visual effect and the illusion of infinite recession in your Zeno drawing. To complete your Zeno drawing, it is time to refine your work. Carefully darken the lines that truly define the final form of your object, making them stand out. Next, gently erase any of the lighter construction lines that are no longer needed, ensuring a clean and polished appearance. For an extra touch, you might consider adding subtle shading or even a splash of color to further enhance the visual depth and overall impact of your unique artwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.